So we're heading to the nearest station right now. We're just like taking a walk, going to the station, and we're taking a train to Toyohashi station. And we're gonna have lunch there and buy Shinkansen tickets for tomorrow. お花咲いてるね。アジサイ。These are called asagao. Very common in Japan. You'll only see them in summertime. So we're at the nearest station right now, and there is no one working at the station. So you just place your IC card here, and no one really checks if you did that. But they'll eventually find out if you do anything wrong. But you know, like there are many elderly people living in this area, so those people don't have IC cards. They just pay by cash on the train.
A じゃないか豊橋、A じゃないか山佐のちくわ。
This is a local product. When people come to Toyohashi, people buy Yamasano chikuwa for souvenirs. So this is fish paste, about $50 a box for this one, but it's really good. So if you do have the chance to come to Toyohashi, then I recommend you have one. Yeah, locals love it too. Okay, so this is their lunch menu. We're at Waka. And most of their meat is from Aichi. And we ordered what they recommended. It says osusume on the left side. Honjitsu no yakiniku lunch. How is it? 美味しい。美味しい。愛知のお肉らしいね。I think we're gonna go to another restaurant because this is not enough. 昼から飲みますね。美味しい。
昼飲み最高。
昼飲み最高。But tomorrow we are going to Tokyo. We bought our Shinkansen tickets and we're just drinking all day. Guess again. This is deep fried squid. Go ahead and eat. Have a deal.
塩かな。胡椒が効いてて美味しいです。中もコリコリ。
コリコリなんだ。サバの塩焼き。Drinking all day. There was really nothing special we did today, but this is how it is on the countryside in Japan. Let's go home.
ちゃんとびっ
びっくりした。野良犬かなんかが出たんかと思った。やめてよ。
結構やったんですか。